Kenapa tak boleh buka? The tips to handle this situation: first, you need to check the keypad of the password. Also check, is it function or not? Is the fingerprint? Is the doorbell? So if all not function, we have the key and also the power bank. To use the key to open this smart lock,
Wow.
so if for power bank, the jump start place is here also. Okay, when you unlock this smart lock to enter your home, you need to recharge this battery. To recharge this battery, just need to take out this tower. You just need to plug in a micro USB to this pole. Fully charged 4 to 5 hours. If your smart lock model is using this AA alkaline battery, you just need to take the new one to exchange with your existing one.